friends, myself Tejas here and welcome you in my channel Science and All, where you will get the information about everything. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the various parts of the IC engine and their functions. In day-to-day life, we have come across the IC engine in our cars and bikes. But while watching the IC engines, we have a doubt of what all are the parts present in the IC engine and how they work. So in this video, we are going to cover all such doubts. So don't forget to watch the video up to the end. So this is the total assembly of the cylinder that you can see. Now this is the valve through which the mixture of air and fuel enters into the cylinder. If your engine is of petrol type, that is you are using a petrol, then the mixture of air and fuel enters through this valve. And if your engine is of diesel type, then only a compressed air enters through this valve. So the next part is the inlet valve. The inlet valve has a working to move up and down so that to not allow the air to enter when it was closed and allow the air to enter when it was open. Now, the piston, it moves in this direction, that is inline direction, in the upward and downward. Okay. Now, the next part is the exhaust gases outlet, from which the gases which are formed after the combustion, the all such gases are not usable, so they get exhaust come out from the cylinder through this exhaust gases outlet. And the next part is the exhaust valve. So it also moves up and down in the inclined direction. And what all are the gases present inside the combustion chamber after the combustion gets come out through this valve. Okay, now you can see that the next part is the cam and camshafts, and these two are in the form of X shape. Now, when a slightly flat portion of this shape is comes across the head of the valve becomes closed and the valve does not allow the gases to pass through it. And when the X shape, the pointed shape of this cam and camshaft, it comes on the head of the piston valve, the valve becomes open and it allows the air present inside or outside to goes inside and out. Now, the next part is the spark plug. Here, when our engine is of petrol type, a spark plug is used for the purpose of ignition. And when our engine is of diesel type, no spark plug is needed. At that time, the injector, which performs a function of injecting the fuel on the compressed air, is for combusting the air. Now, the next part is the combustion chamber. It is the most important part of the engine where the combustion of the gases takes place. And when the combustion takes place, the temperature of the engine rises to a very high level. Now, the next part is the piston. So, the piston works in such a way that when the combustion takes place inside the combustion chamber, it goes down, and when the combustion is complete, it again goes up. So it has a function of moving up and down. Now the next part is the connecting rod, which connects the piston with the crank shaft. So when the piston moves down, the crankshaft rotates, and again when the piston moves up, the crankshaft rotates. So the linear motion of the piston is converted into the rotary motion, and in this way the power is given to the wheels to move in a circular manner. Now the next part is the cooling water. So it is very important for the engine to cool down. So that's why the cooling water is used for the purpose of cooling. The next part is the cylinder block. So cylinder block is the part outside from which we are seeing from outside, and all such parts are present inside the cylinder block. Now the next is the cylinder head, which is present above the or the side to the valves. So in this way we have covered all the parts of the IC engines and their functions. So thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like, share the video, because by sharing this you can share the knowledge with your friends or others. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, because your subscription will give me motivation to make such better videos and which are very knowledgeable. And hit the bell icon to get the notification about the videos. So thank you.